Well, we're back here in the van. Today, Megan is joining me to help me make the bed platform. It's been a little bit of time since I was last in front of this little black box with a lens on it. And I've done a few things. Mainly, I've boxed in the wheel wells on either side. I have more or less kind of put together the kitchen and established what it's going to do. And then I've made this bed frame. And I'm doing my classic fold-up bed, so right now I'm just marking out where all the holes are going to go for the aeration holes, or as I like to call them, the speed holes. And then Megan is going to start drilling pilot holes and then using the hole saw to cut bigger holes. So that's what's on the docket for right now.
That was very scary.
Alright, now rock it down to that line.
Once it's in like this, can I get that thing out of there?
She's nervous. Alright, well, while Megan struggles with the hole saw, I'm going to get started on building our solar shower because I can do that quickly and then I can get on to other stuff. That is the solar shower just glued together. I'm gonna let it dry and then drill holes in it. And yeah, so now I'm gonna start building a drawer. Megan is still going on the hole saw and hasn't broken her wrist yet. She's doing so good though.
Not the most fun that I've ever had.
She's finished the first board, people. How do you feel?
Mastered the drill.
She's mastered the drill. Nice. In the event that you're watching this and wondering what the heck this is, it's called a contour tool, and you can find it on Amazon. Just in case you were wondering. I get a lot of questions Alright, so now that I've finished this cabinet here, or at least fleshed it in, I need to start thinking about what is going to go right in here. Now, the bed platform that I've built will extend to like right here, so that I have only a small cabinet that can go right in this area, and then the rest has to be quite close to the wall, which is kind of unfortunate. I had hoped that it would be a little bit bigger, but I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to have countertop space that goes right out to here and then kind of goes in at an angle. Yeah, so I also got to make a space for the tiny wood stove that's going to go in here as well. That works really great. Got a nice big drawer up here. I think we're going to put dishes in here. I'm going to make a false top that will sit in the top here. And then got a cabinet down here, and I think I'm going to put the rare earth elements inverter charger in here because it's really close to the battery, which is back there. This is going to house the MPPT MPPT solar charger and the DC-DC charger as well, and then other stuff will be in there. But yeah, I was thinking actually I might put the that readout in the face. Let's see. Alright, so we're just going to skip ahead here a little bit. You can see right there I made that box, which is going to house all of our firewood, because we're going to have a small tiny stove above there. So that's kind of fleshed in. Good. Now I'm starting on the shelves that go up in here. There you have it. This is going to be like bungee shelves, so there's going to be bungees in front. This will be like a little spot for socks, underwear, t-shirts, that kind of thing. And there's going to be another one on the other side. So I'm done for the day. Later.